Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the understanding the context object C, the heart of the Ono.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So whenever we are creating any API, so we always use like c.set, c.request, c.html, and there are so many things like c.request.query. We have request c.request.query also. We have another thing also like if you want to post a request, in that case we have also, right? So let me just check that one, c.request.json, because here we are asking for the requesting a JSON object, right? So this context has so many uses. Okay, so let's take a look. Complete context API reference, that is c request dot parameter get the route parameters. Okay, c dot request dot query get the query parameters. So it's to be a page, limit, anything. C dot request dot json pass the JSON body, await c dot request dot json, c dot request dot text get the text body. Okay, c dot request dot form data pass the form data, request header to get the request header, request dot url to get the full url. Okay, then request dot method, if you want to get the method, which method it is, whether it's to be a post, put, get, so you will get the method. C dot request dot path get the url of the path. C dot text, if you want to text return the response in the text format, then you can do like this. If you want to return the text in the JSON format, you can do this. c.html return the HTML response, c.redirect the response, c.body custom body. Okay, c.not found 404 response, c.header set the response header, whether it's to any custom value and header you can set. c.status set the status code, c.set the context variable, c.get context variable. Okay, so let's I have just compiled all this into a one. So let's take a look. And always use c for the context. The convention is to name the context parameter c. This makes the code consistent and the readable. Okay, so here you can see that we have c.json, and if you are going to do this like users context.json, which is the wrong. Okay, handle async operations properly, like always use await with async methods like c.request.json. Okay, set the status before response or pass the status code directly to the response methods. So here you can see dot status, and here we pass the method that is for 201. Okay, next we have validate the input data. If you want to validate the data, so here you can see that the validate the fields if body.name and body.email return c.json error name and the email are required, and 400 status you are sending. Okay, if process the valid method, then return the success true with 2001. Okay, use the context variable for the middleware communication, that is c.set and c.get. Share the data between the middleware and the handlers. Okay, common best practices, that is pattern, that is one RESTful APIs we are using. Pattern 2, that is search with filters. We are using the file uploads also. So you have, what we have done, you have to read the request data from the c.request. You have to send the responses with the c.text, c.json, c.html. How to work with the headers and the status codes. How to share the data between the c.set and the c.get. Best practices and the common quick cheat sheet we have. So reading the request data, sending the request responses. So I have already completed working example. Let's take a look. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged code. So let's review it. So here we have, so oh no. Okay, so this is basically the mock data, right? And logging using the middleware. So here we have the async. So start c.set. So here we have to set the data, and then we have to log that data. Okay, if you want to return the data in the HTML format, so then you, this is the HTML that we have to return. Get all the products with the filtering and the pagination. So this is that code. So first of all, request the query, that is category, main, max, price. Then we set the limit and the page. Okay, then filtering. Okay, here you can see you can set the headers with the c dot header, right? And if you want to return the response, then c.json will help you to return the response. Okay, to get the single record with the id, you have to just request the parameter id, and you can see that status, that is if not found, that is return the 404. And if it is there is a response, then we will go with c.json. Okay, and this is for requesting the JSON body. So we are using the c.request.json for here, and for returning basically using the c.status 201, and here we are setting the header. Okay, header location, and then return that product. Okay, put, so again request the JSON and update it accordingly. Anything else? I think no. Okay, so this is how the C, that is very important in the ono.js context object. Hope you understand. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.